Hi BV Elementary, Mr. Hull here with another inside activity for you. It is called the Math Toss Challenge. Your learning goals for this will be I will develop my underhand throwing skills. I will work on my math addition and multiplication skills to add up your score. And I will follow the rules and play with my family and have some fun. So equipment you're going to need are 3 markers. I am using plates. 12 cards numbered 1 through 12. And then 1 milk crate or laundry basket or box so that you can throw the socks into. Paper, pen or pencil, depending on what you want to use. 3 to 6 sock balls. And then a towel or a belt or a jump rope to use as a line to throw from. So the setup. First you're going to set up your throwing line. So I'm using a towel. I'm going to put my towel down. Then I am going to walk 2 steps from the towel. I'm going to put the plate down and I'm going to put the number 1 down on it. Then I'm going to walk 2 more steps, put the plate down. I'm going to put the number 2 card down on there. Take another 2 steps, put the plate down, and then put the card number 3 on there. So I have values of 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to put the milk crate next to spot number 1. And then I'm going to make sure I have paper and pencil back by the towel and my 3 to 6 sock balls. I'm using 6, so we're going to use 6 sock balls. So I'm ready to go. So gameplay. All throws need to be underhand. Make sure that you have placed your basket or crate at the first marker because the object is to try to throw the socks into the crate. So you're going to throw all your socks to your first spot. Each sock is worth 1 point. Make sure you add up your points. And then any that you miss, you will do jumping jacks. So say at spot number 1, I made 3 and I threw 6. I missed 3. I would do 3 jumping jacks. And then I would go back, write down my score, make sure I brought all the sock balls with me, and then I would move the crate or whatever you're using up to the next spot, number 2. And then I would start all over again throwing the 6 sock balls, and I will repeat this and do this until I'm all the way down to number 3. If you want to quit playing after you're done with number 3, that's fine. If you want to continue to play, then you just would add new number cards on there. So put 4, 5, and 6 down on top of your markers, and then you would do the same thing. So just say I finished after round number 1. I only played 1 round and went from numbers 1 to 3. So for round 1, I threw at spot number 1. I made 6 of them. So I would take 1 times 6 would give me 6 points. For spot number 2, I would write down 2 times how many I made. So if I made 6, 2 times 6 gives me 12. I got 12 points for that spot. And then the last one, I go to 3, and I made all 6 of them. I would go 3 times 6 gives me 18. So for the first spot, the most points you could get at number 1 is 6. The second spot, the most points you could get is 12. And the third spot, the most you could get is 18. And you'd add them up. And if you want to go round 2, you would put a 4, 5, and 6 down. And at spot number 4, the most you could get would be 24 points. At spot number 5, the most you could get is 30 points. And at spot number 6, the most you could get is 36 points. And you'd add up your score. Variations to do this, you can change your sock point value. You can make the socks worth more. So you could say that all socks are worth 2 points. So if you threw them at number 1 and it was worth 1 point and you made 2 of them, maybe 2, and there's times 2 equals 4. So it's up to you. So watch the next demonstration video I have on how to play this game. So then you'll have a better understanding of this. Have fun, take care of yourself, and stay classy, BV Elementary.